this moment, we are honored to have with us today our distinguished guests who will share their messages with our graduates.
To start with, let us have our University President, Dr. Bobby D. Gerardo.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It gives me great pleasure and honor to extend to each and every one of you my sincere congratulations on this significant event. This is an incredible day in your academic career that is the fruit of years of commitment, diligence, and willpower. You've reached the historic milestone thanks to your unwavering dedication to excellence, and I salute your extraordinary accomplishments. I encourage you to look back on the priceless experiences and knowledge that you have acquired throughout your stay at Northern Iloilo State University Ahoy campus as you get ready to start a new chapter in your lives. As you reminisce all those, you can truly say it's a joy, Ahoy, to be here. Really very nice. Treasure the experiences you have had, the relationships you have built, and the obstacles you have surmounted. Such occurrences formed your character and equip you for the adventure ahead, as well as shaping to become productive citizens of our country. You're the amazing people you are now because of every lesson you have learned and every obstacle you have overcome. Beyond all of this, nonetheless, college has also been a period of maturation and self-discovery. You now have the excellent grasp of your skills, interests, and uniqueness. You have persevered with resilience and resolve in the face of setbacks and difficulties. Despite it all, you've grown in knowledge and character. As you set to lead today, keep in mind that this is just the start of a new chapter. Opportunities exist in this limitless world just waiting for you to take action in it. Recognize that success involves more than just achieving personal goals. It also entails having a beneficial influence on the people that surrounds you. Remind yourself that you are not alone as you venture into the uncertain future and bid farewell to the comfortable borders of NISO Ahoy campus. The love and support of your friends, family, your mentors, and professors who have helped you along the journey are with you. Take courage with their words of support and let their knowledge serve as a light for the days to come. As the president of Northern Iloilo State University, I am confident that with all the ideals you have learned from our humble institution, you will have nothing to harvest but only success. Right after this graduation, you are now a proud alumni of Northern Iloilo State University, a part of global community of scholars, leaders, and change makers. Stay connected, continue to inspire, and never forget the values that define our institution. We're here to celebrate your accomplishments, your potential, and the exciting future you have ahead of you. Congratulations again, graduates. May you have prosperity, happiness, and a limitless abundance of possibilities in the future. Make us proud as you move forward. Mabuhay ang 2024 graduates, mabuhay ang Northern Iloilo State University.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bobby D. Gerardo, University President of Northern Iloilo State University. On behalf of Honorable Raul Buboy Tupas, our Congressman of the 5th District, Province of Iloilo, and Honorable Binky April M. Tupas, Board Member of the 5th District, Province of Iloilo. We will have Attorney Nigel Anen Sabrido Liso, Legal Officer and Officer in Charge, Board Secretary, a representative to extend the message to our graduates.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Gusto ko magpaabot sa pagpakabi-abi sa aton iyang mga ginikanan, mga pamilya, mga pinalangga nga ari diri subong. Maayong gabi, congratulations gid sa inyo. Una, palakpakan taanay ang aton mga kaugalingon. Ikaduha, gusto ko man magpaabot sa pagpangabi-abi sa aton ng mga graduates for batch 2024 because you made this far, guys. So congratulations. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. We know that as much as our good congressman would like to be here sa bunga gabi, kagang iya man iyang tiayon si BM board member Binky April Tupas, they are sadly not able to be here. Birthday kahapon ni Kong Buboy, so ihatag tani sa iya, no? And now allow me the opportunity to read to you their joined message. Their message goes this way. Our warmest and heartfelt congratulations to the graduates of Northern Iloilo State University, Ahui Campus, Batch 2024. Graduation marks not the end, but the beginning of a promising journey. This huge milestone in the lives of our students significantly rewards their hard work and dedication to finish their studies and get their hard-earned diploma, a testament of a fulfilled educational goal. Today also marks the oneness of the proud members of the academic community. Their contribution to the successful academic year has led to a harmonious and productive celebration of academic success. As a famous philosopher once said, through work, love is made visible because you bind yourself, with others, like your parents, your loved ones, your friends, your schoolmates, your teachers, and of course, with God. And so, ladies and gentlemen, let us honor and express deep gratitude to the good Lord for the richness of the love in the hearts of everybody. Let us radiate positivity and love as our graduates transform challenges into opportunities. As our parents' sacrifices were rewarded with their children's achievements. As our passionate teachers devote themselves in reigniting the deep love for obtaining a good education. And as our school administrators led by example and work in collaboration with stakeholders for effective learning delivery. Moreover, the valuable presence of our supportive family members is a proof of a deep love rooted from values learned at home. Our commendation goes to them, to the parents out there, for sustaining the needs of our students to continue studying. Our felicitations also go to the strong-willed members of the faculty and staff of MISU Ahui. Without them, without the relentless dedication in not only teaching the minds of our students and touching their hearts, but also transforming their lives. So congratulations, kid, kag madamo nga salamat sa aton nga faculty and staff diri sa MISU Ahui. Kung ari man kamusbong palakpakan nato ng aton mga kaugalingon. Our teachers' great contribution in harnessing the skills of students, teaching essential knowledge, and most importantly, instilling good values to become not only responsive, but productive citizens of our country is incomparable and worthy of praise. We are very proud of the entire Northern Iloilo State University community for raising the bar of excellence as we continue to produce champion graduates who are not only licensure exam passers, but also licensure exam top-notchers of their respective degree. This alone proves the kind of quality education we give the students in Northern Iloilo. Let us keep the blazing passion in obtaining success in life by investing in education, which we believe to be the greatest and honorific return of investment after years of labor in school. Our wishes and good luck to this incredible batch of NISO graduates. Know that the NISO family is very proud of all of your achievements, especially sa aton nga mga leadership, academic, extracurricular awardee students. Rest assured that we are all here to support your future journey. God bless you in your future endeavors. All of you have a promising and brilliant future that awaits you. In closing, may you bring with you all the learned lessons, significant and important learning experiences, and faith in God that we are all necessary to combat the challenges in life and eventually win and won the battle and succeed. Life is a battlefield. Have a courageous and brave heart to win all the trials and serve as an image of strength to others. Always live by the university motto, icon of hope for development. Keep that driving force alive with one's heart and positively hope for the best. To the graduates, take this with you, the fearless message of Nelson Mandela. He said, education is the greatest weapon that we can use to change the world. From Kong Buboy and from BM Binky, they wish that you all will change the course of your life with your obtained quality education, and may you all make a difference, not just in our district, not just in the province of Iloilo, but hopefully in our country, in our entire world. God bless you, and mabuhay NISU. To God be the highest glory. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you very much, Attorney Nizel Sabrido, representative of Honorable Raul Buboy C. Tupas, Congressman of the 5th District Province of Iloilo, as well as a representative of Honorable Binky April M. Tupas, Board Member of the 5th District Province of Iloilo.
To impart us another insight, and on behalf of Mayor Jet C. Rojas, may I now call on Attorney Nikki Joy Camanso, Municipal Administrator.
Faculty and staff, distinguished guests, maayong gab-igid sa aton tanan. So today is a very memorable day, not only to the parents, but most of all to you, dear graduates. Our dear Mayor, the father of this municipality, Honorable Jet C. Rojas, much as he really wanted to join you graduates on this momentous event in your life, but due to a very pressing commitment, he cannot be with you physically today. So I've heard a while ago, according to Dr. Bobby, this is the first time nga absent si Mayor sa graduation ceremony sang NISU Ahoy Campus. So our municipal mayor is very saddened kay hindi siya maka-attend subong nga gabi. But nonetheless, in behalf of our municipal mayor, I am here to convey to you inspiring and encouraging points which our municipal mayor wants you to remember as you leave your dear alma mater and venture to a new, more challenging environment. So first, our mayor extends his warm congratulations and sincerest praise to the parents who, despite some economic difficulties, were still able to send your children to college. So such a support to your children is really worth commendable because you always think of your children's bright future. Secondly, our municipal mayor is much appreciative of your support to the NISO Ahoy Campus academic programs by making it a partner in educating your children as shown in our 243 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Criminology, 60 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, 62 graduates in Secondary Education, 116 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, and 115 graduates of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. So the 596 graduates we have today is indeed a great manifestation of your trust and confidence towards the school's capability to make your children good citizens and agents of change in community. So for this, our mayor extends his heartfelt thanks to you, their parents, for believing in NISU's program for education. So palakpakan nato ng aton mga ginikanan for sending you to college and being here today in your graduation day. So from the humble beginnings of NISU Ahoy, so it started from a simple Ahoy Polytechnic College to Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College Ahoy Campus. So with a great vision of affordable and free education for all walks of life in the 5th District of Iloilo, our beloved Congressman Buboy Tupas, made an extra effort in making Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College Ahoy Campus into Northern Iloilo State University. So I think this year marks as your 2nd year being a university academe. So yes, truly, affordable education is already within the reach of those who are willing to have it. But still, it is not possible to those less privileged families. So in other parts of the municipality, especially to the island barangays, so they find it hard to even shoulder the fare of their children. Hence, I have a good news for everyone. So the municipality is allocating certain units at the NHA Sitio Dawis, Barangay Poblacion housing site to be utilized as boarding houses to those qualified students of the island barangays in the next school year. So congratulations. So my dear parents and graduates, one of the key point agenda of development of our municipal leader is focused on education. So as a matter of fact, we have already purchased 26 units of Starlink at different elementary schools, and we have delivered it already. And we also turned over checks to secondary high schools for the purchase of the said Wi-Fi units to have a better access to information and necessary data for their learning. So the municipality also have 398 municipal scholars. As a matter of fact, 33 of them are here today graduating, and we have one magna cum laude in the person of Miss Jedi May. So she is a municipal scholar and have already received an award this morning. So the municipal mayor also shows strong influence in creating a community who can become partners in building a developed and sustainable municipality and a nation. So currently, we have 3 renewable energy investors in the municipality. So they are focused on solar energy projects and wind energy projects. So we have one in Barangay Tipakla and in Barangay Luca. So these solar energy companies will put up solar energy farms consisting of 35 megawatts and 96 megawatts respectively. We also have a potential investor on wind energy project So this is a multi-million project to be located in different island barangays. So once these projects will be materialized, we have no excuse of becoming a first-class municipality or even a component city in the next few years. So, but of course, development, my dear graduates and parents, can only be attained with the support and cooperation of the community and all Ahoy Noons. So, padayon kita nga magsuporta sa isa kag isa. Kay hindi ta ini malabot ang amo ni nga kauswagan kung wala sang suporta halin man sa inyo sa komunidad. So, and that, my dear parents and graduates, is a great challenge to all of us. And sa tanan nga taga-Ahoy. So, ang tanan nga ini nga benepisyo, maagom gid naton kung nagasuportahan na lang ang isa kag isa. So, to the faculty and staff of the NISO Ahoy campus, who never get tired of giving their best to mentor our graduates, the faculties who played their important role in molding the academic capabilities of their graduates, our mayor really salutes all of you. So, as education is a partnership in action, we fervently hope that may these partnerships among students, teachers, parents, and the community bring forth better lives, brighter future, and numerous achievements for our graduates today. So, dear parents, your support to your children does not end here today. They still need your support financially, emotionally, and spiritually as they venture a new chapter of their lives. So, in all endeavors of our children, our support will always be the wind beneath their wings to make them soar high, to reach another level of learning and experiences. So to you graduates, always stay focused on your goals. Do not be awakened by trials you meet along the way. Remember, make them a challenge to keep you going, as it is your life you are now making. Remember that you have to own your future. How you wanted your life to be depends on you, as you are the master of your fate. When you stumble down, do not surrender. Get up and walk one step at a time till you reach your very goal. Life is full of surprises. So your parents, professors, and your educations are instrument to make you prepare for life's surprises. So personally, I am also a graduate of Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. So during my time, there was not yet free education, nor free scholarships. And I were once a graduate who was sitting in my chair, thinking of what is life after graduation. So remember, we, at the municipal level, through the help of our Congressman, Honorable Buboy Tupas, and Board Member Binky Tupas, the college president, the university president, Dr. Bobby D. Gerardo, the rest of us here on stage were once like you when we graduated from college, uncertain of what awaits us after graduation. But we keep on going, overcoming all types of difficulties till we reach what we are now today. And we never stop learning and educating ourselves. So my dear graduates, patience, perseverance, trust, and confidence in yourselves are very important. And the encouragement of your loved ones should be your guiding force towards reaching your dreams. Nothing is impossible if you set your heart on your goals. Above all, and the most important of all, always ask God's guidance and wisdom in everything you do, and always be thankful for anything that may come your way. In behalf of our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Jetsi Rojas, once again, congratulations to the parents, professors, NISU Ahoy Campus, and dear graduates for a job well done. To the graduates, good luck on your next journey, and may God bless us all. So padayon kita tanan.
Thank you very much, Attorney Nikki Joy Camanso, Municipal Administrator of Municipality of Ahoy.
Moving on, we will now present the Congressman Raul C. Tupas and Board Member Binky April M. Tupas Award for Academic Excellence and Leadership. May I call on Mrs. Sharon Joy O. Pacardo, Campus Registrar, to present the awarded graduates. And we would like also to request Attorney Nizel Anantis Abrido, the representative of Congressman Raul Boboy Tupas, and Honorable Board Member Binky April M. Tupas.
We begin this ceremony by acknowledging those students who have distinguished themselves academically, earning Latin honors. These awards are testament to their unwavering commitment to excellence and scholarly pursuit. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and most importantly, our exceptional graduates, it is my privilege to announce this year's recipients of Congressman Raul and Board Member Binky April Tupas Award for Academic Excellence.
To give the awards, once again, we may request Attorney Nizel Anantis Abrido, NISO Legal Officer, OIC Board Secretary, and a representative of Honorable Raul Buboy C. Tupas and Honorable Binky April M. Tupas. To assist the award, we request the parents of the awardees.
Let's start with the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Jedi May C. Cabillon, Mania, cum laude.
Our recipients will be receiving a medal and a certificate of recognition. We would like to request Dr. Francis Gasapo, our campus administrator, Police Brigadier General Jack L. Wonky, our regional director, our commencement speaker, and our University President, Dr. Bobby Gerardo, to assist in giving the awards. Congratulations.
And from the Bachelor of Elementary Education, Alan Joy S. Pugaha, Mania, cum laude.
Congratulations.
I am pleased to announce this year's recipients of the cum laude distinction, and also a recipient of Congressman Raul Buboy Tupas and BM Binky April Tupas Award for Academic Excellence. From the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Ken Vincent Bolaquinia and Shaina Rose Manaay.
Congratulations.
From the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Mariel B. Agtoto. Marbilin C. Atalio. Brisa Marie B. Barcelona. Lorimer R. Barrios. Nelen Joy D. Cacho. Justin Clifford D. Calanova.
Congratulations.
Axel Rose D. Catalonia.
Congratulations.
Alexander Patrick A. De La Costa. Victor P. Demo.
Congratulations.
Jensen L. Estrelianes.
Congratulations.
Evelyn Grace J. Molino.
Congratulations.
Michelin B. Oxenio.
Congratulations.
Ruela Marie P. Pasyente.
Congratulations.
Chidel Rose S. Rodriguez.
Congratulations.
Lilian Grace B. Singson.
Congratulations.
Rica Rose D. Valenzuela.
Congratulations.
And Joyzel G. Velasco.
Congratulations.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Ellen May M. Basa. Dave Darrell P.
Congratulations.
Benban. Leanne Jane A. Binyas.
Congratulations.
Kenmar B. Lakion.
Congratulations.
Jessa May G. Nale.
Congratulations.
Jeneline T. Zaragoza.
Congratulations.
And Regime N. Zaragoza.
Congratulations.
From the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Belen Rose A. Amante.
Congratulations.
Maria Christine S. Amarao. Jenny Ann S. Hamburgo.
Congratulations.
Clean Faith B. Araneta.
Congratulations.
Frances May F. Asdulo.
Congratulations.
Rodolfo Bautista III.
Congratulations.
John Paul D. Bihico.
Congratulations.
Lara Concepcion D. Cabigo.
Congratulations.
V. Marie P. Casido.
Congratulations.
Tiffany Jean D. Estacion.
Congratulations.
Genevieve A. Famorcan.
Congratulations.
Marla N. Fernandez.
Congratulations.
Ray P. Fernandez.
Congratulations.
Jericho P. Ligario.
Congratulations.
Rexel R. Mercolino. Cherry Ann A. Navarro.
Congratulations.
Jomar G. Poblador. Raisa L. Puno.
Congratulations.
Karen May D. Rubio.
Congratulations.
Jepson B. Sabitero.
Congratulations.
Dalia D. Santo.
Congratulations.
And Lesame D. Toledo. From the Bachelor of Elementary Education, Angel Hope C. Ariola.
Congratulations.
Fuchsia Pink A. Articona.
Congratulations.
Lenilyn Grace D. Baloran.
Congratulations.
Lovelyn L. Barrett.
Congratulations.
Lorilyn F. Bacharo.
Congratulations.
Smile D. Batistaon.
Congratulations.
Hazel D. Bilonio,
Congratulations.
Yumbert J. Bolakenya,
Congratulations.
Rachel B. Canoy,
Congratulations.
Jonah May P. Caro,
Congratulations.
Carmela A. Casuyon,
Congratulations.
Reyna May A. Del Castillo,
Congratulations.
Jeffel Kate C. Jola,
Congratulations.
Julian Marie Escocia,
Congratulations.
Giselle R. Espinosa,
Congratulations.
Raisa B. Egbaras,
Congratulations.
May D. Habagat,
Congratulations.
Roseline D. Labang,
Congratulations.
Kathleen May Pasugin, Chamilin D. Pugaha,
Congratulations.
Cathy C. Shasico,
Congratulations.
Cristal Tachado,
Congratulations.
Lizel May B. Taglukop,
Congratulations.
and Dwinely V. Olbe.
Congratulations.
From the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, John Frederick Orpiada,
Congratulations.
Maria Natalie G. Zolwesa,
Congratulations.
Mayflower G. Zolwesa,
Congratulations.
and from the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Alan P. Doromal.
Congratulations.
We now proceed to the giving of Congressman Raul and BM Binky April Tupas Award for Leadership Excellence. The Leadership Award recognizes graduating students who have balanced their academic studies with student activities. This award recognizes those who have rendered exemplary dedication and leadership that has a significant and positive impact on the university and student body through active leadership in student organizations.
To give the award, we request once again Attorney Nigel Anan T. Sabrido, NISO Legal Officer, OIC Board Secretary, and a representative of Honorable Raul Buboy C. Tupas, Honorable Binky April M. Tupas, together with our campus administrator, Dr. Francis B. Gasapo, our commencement speaker, Police Brigadier General Jack L. Wonky, the Regional Director of PRO 6, and our University President, Dr. Bobby D. Gerardo, together with the parents.
This year's recipients of Congressman Raul and BM Binky April Tupas Award for Leadership Excellence from the Criminology Department: Raylan D. Blanca, Renimar D. Robles, Jedimay C. Cabillon. Justin Clifford Calanova.
Our recipients will be receiving a certificate, a medal, and a cash award. Congratulations!
Jasmine Joy C. Banyas. Hazel D. Bilonio. Orpiada John Frederick. Joyce C. V. Vasilesco. And John Paul B. Iao.
Congratulations!
In closing, your hard work, dedication, and passion have not gone unnoticed, and we are immensely proud of every one of you. Our heartfelt congratulations to all of today's honorees.
Once again, congratulations, dear recipients, and mabuhay.
Thank you very much to Mrs. Sharon Joy O. Pacardo, Campus Registrar. As well as thank you, Attorney Sabrido, Dr. Gasapo, Dr. Palmares, and Ms. Bilyoga. In behalf of Northern Iloilo State University Ahoy community, I would like to express the gratitude to Honorable Raul Buboy Tupas and Honorable Binky April Tupas for the invaluable efforts to serve and help Nisu Ahoy community, as well as in recognizing Nisu Ahoy graduates, Latin Honor Awardees for their academic excellence journey in this institution. Now, let us witness a significant moment as our graduates come together to recite their pledge, symbolizing their commitment to uphold the values of our institution and to carry forward the knowledge and ideals they have gained throughout their academic journey. May I call on Ms. Jedimay C. Cabillon, magna cum laude, of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, to lead the graduates' pledge.
Fellow graduates, please rise. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. With a solemn sense of responsibility, I pledge myself to hold my diploma as a sacred trust, to hold it with an untarnished honor to myself, an emblem of my obligation to serve in generous loyalty to my country, my fellow men, and my God. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeremy. Graduates, this ceremony not only marks the end of your academic endeavor, but also signifies the beginning of a lifelong connection with our alma mater. To induct our graduates into the Alumni Association, we invite Honorable Genesis C. Gisto, President of the Nisu Ahoy Alumni Association and the BSBA Batch 2004 and SP member of the Municipality of Ahoy.
Before you recite your alumni's pledge, my congratulations to the new batch of professionals. And let me remind you that as you leave the portals of our institution, never forget to look back. Balikan nyo gitang eskwelahan kung ano nang inyo maabtan. To the distinguished guests, which was being acknowledged earlier, to the dear parents and to the graduates. Please raise your right hand, graduates, and repeat after me. I, state your name, having been inducted into the Alumni Association of Northern Iloilo State University, do solemnly pledge myself to do my best in the performance of my duties as a member of the association. I hereby promise to support and protect the Constitution of the association and live up to the ideals of the Northern Iloilo State University. So help me God. Welcome and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Honorable Genesis Gesto. And congratulations to Alumni Batch 2024 of Northern Iloilo State University, Ahoy Campus. Remember, you are now part of a vast network of alumni who are here to support and inspire you. Your connection to our alma mater is a lifelong bond that will continue to enrich your personal and professional journey.
To our graduates of Class 2024 and now our Alumni Batch 2024, may you carry and continue to uphold the spirit of excellence, integrity, and service with you as what Nisu Ahoy Campus has instilled to you. As you will embark on your future endeavors, congratulations once again, and may your journey ahead be filled with success and fulfillment. At this moment, let us now have the graduates' prayer to be led by Ms. Allen Joy S. Pagua, magna cum laude, Bachelor of Elementary Education.
The graduates' prayer. Almighty God, we, the graduates of Class 2024, humbly stand before Thee with joyful, grateful, and hopeful hearts. We thank Thee for everything Thou hast given us. Zeal and devotion for Your work, admiration for virtue, love for justice, and dedicated service to mankind. Bestow on us Thy divine grace, that we must work at all times for Thy greatest honor and for the welfare of our country. We thank Thee for our devoted faculty members. Help them in their works. As we seek new horizons, we humbly beg for Thy blessings. Be Thou, O Lord, our light and our strength. Help us remember always that noble work is done by noble men. May we always look up to Thee as the way, the truth, and the life.
And please all stand for the singing of Niso hymn with great pride.
all stand to formally close today's event. We have the 872nd Naval Reserve Officer Training Course unit officers for their sessional.
And this will be followed by the University Colors, University Maize, Director General, Grand Marshals, graduates, faculty per college and department, the key officials, guests, Board of Regents, University President, and our commencement speaker.
requesting our distinguished guests, different campus administrators, chairpersons, faculty members, and staff of Northern Iloilo State University, please come in front, please, for the photo opportunity.
The Northern Iloilo State University Ahoy campus extends its profound and heartfelt gratitude to all who have graced and contributed to the splendor of this momentous occasion. We offer our sincerest thanks to the esteemed NISO key officials, the Honorable Board of Regents, our dedicated faculty and staff, our exceptional students, generous sponsors and benefactors, cherished alumni, supportive parents, and the tireless working committees. Your unwavering support and collaboration have culminated in the resounding success of the NISO Ahoy Commencement Exercises 2024. Our heartfelt congratulations to the distinguished class of 2004. To God be all the glory.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our commencement exercises. Thank you for gracing with us in this momentous event of this university. I am Instructor Jeza Gabukay Incaunado.
And I am Dr. J. Falagne, your Masters of Ceremony. Thank you and congratulations to all our graduates. Ad astra per aspera.